Hello everybody, my name is and I look after education in Europe. This is Heath Grout, he's creative director for the US. Working on one of the catwalk models. This is the second part of the show. And what we do here is basically creating texture with, I'm using hairspray to prepare the hair. Because obviously it's fairly straight, so the technique itself is very simple but very effective, and we're using a flat iron to actually create a random sort of curl in the hair, which creates a really unique effect. What you want to do is, obviously I wet the hair down, so I spray the Work It spray, which is a slightly wet hairspray, onto the hair, and first you create this loop at the base, and the rest of the hair is kind of just wrapped around. It's almost like a slip knot, just so the loop stops the hair slipping off. You can see and what I do is just hold the ends in place and basically just heat up the hair from different direction. That's what obviously sets the hair. And when you see the end result, it looks quite interesting. How it looks very natural, but at the same time, it looks very fresh and young. It's a bit more glam rock rather than hippie. So the effect is when you see the model with the makeup and the clothes and down all the way to the shoes, you understand how this makes sense.
And I see that you have the hair clipped to hold it in place. How long are those clips going to stay in?
Until we brush it out. Yeah, until we brush it out. Obviously they stop the hair to unravel itself. But the whole thing is it's relatively messy, because when you see the texture, there's a fine line from creating texture and making it too frizzy. It's the type of frizz actually. What makes the look.
Yeah, it's almost
unique.
like a controlled frizz, if you will. I think also one more thing is you want to make sure you don't use too hard of a hairspray. Like the hairspray that Eric is using for crimping, you wouldn't want to use on this, because you want to undo it and then be able to brush through it. So that'll be key. So that's why we're using a spray that dries quite quickly but is lightweight.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.